How to make mockups using Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so when I say mockups, there's really endless mockups you can make here. You can do t-shirts, products, lots of different things, which I'll show you. And as an example, we'll use the Essetino logo here. And there's two different ways to make mockups. One of them is going to be using an app to make mockups, which would be for a paid account. And then the other one would be a workaround for people that have free accounts. If you do want to try a trial for a paid Canva account, head down to the description below. We have a link there for you to click on where you can get a free 14-day trial to use Canva paid. Okay, so the first way to make mockups, which would be the paid way, is to go up here where it says edit and then scroll all the way to the bottom under apps, and we're just going to click over here where it says mockups. And when we click on mockups, you can see it's really just an endless supply of things you can do a mockup for. Watches, tablets, graphics, outdoor, packaging, clothing, print, smartphones, just it really goes on and on. So for this case, since we're using the Essetino logo, let's go with print. So we'll go to see all. And again, once again, it's endless. There's tons of print options here for you to use as mockups. If you keep scrolling down, you'll even see video mockups that you can make. So they've really done a lot with the mockup system here. There's even just graphics, so you don't have to have a full-on image, but you can just have like an actual icon that you do a mockup for. And so in this case, we'll do, let's see here. One thing I do wish they had is I wish there was a search option at the top where you can just type something like business card or mug or tablet, but unfortunately they don't have that, so you are stuck scrolling quite a bit until you find one that you like. But let's go with this business card one here. And there's a few options. We can go to, let's just make this bigger so you guys can see what it all looks like here. But you can go to fill. And what that does is it makes it a little bit too big. So if we go to apply changes, you'll see that you don't see the full logo here. If we go to fit, it fits it perfectly within the size of the design. And so you can always apply that, and then you'll see what it's going to look like here. There's also smart crop. In this case, it's not so smart because it's made it a little bit too big again. So we'll just go to fit. We'll hit apply. And then there you have it. That's our mockup right there. So pretty easy, doesn't take too long. It just probably takes a bit of time to find the design that you actually like, but that's it. If for any reason you want to go back and edit the one you've just made, just double click on the image here and it's all gonna pop up again. You can also detach the image. So let's say you've changed your mind, you don't actually like this mockup anymore. You can detach the image and now you can go back to the image and you can just delete this background and now you're just working with your image or your logo or whatever it is that you're working with again. So the free way for you to make a mockup would be, again, to go over to elements. You can search elements. Now you can search specifically the mockup that you're looking for. So business card mockup, I should spell that right. And you're going to get a ton of images that pop up. Now, I don't know what mockup you guys might be looking for, but you can literally just type in the word mockup and you're going to see tons here. If you go to photos, you'll see billboards, paper, clothing, frames, tons of different mockups here. So the world is your oyster really when it comes to mockups on Canva. But in this case, we'll go back to business card mockups. And let's just go with this one right here. So we'll make this fit the page. We'll go to position, send to back. So now we have our logo here. And we'll just turn it a bit to the side so that it actually is angled with the card. And voila, you now have a mock-up for your business card. It's, you know, a pretty basic business card, but again, this is just an example. But that's really how simple it is to make a mock-up the free way on Canva. And this would work with tons of other images. I'll show you guys one more example. Let's go for a Christmas themed one. And again, position, send it to the back. We have our logo here. We'll align it so that it works with the way the card is slanting. And that's it. Again, that is how you would make a mockup on Canva with the free version. You can also do this with the paid version because sometimes, in all honesty, this way does end up looking a little bit better than the generated mockups that the app uses on Canva. I hope this helps. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.